Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here, in for Rob. It is Monday, August 18th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, so I just want to start out here on the daily chart here on the NASDAQ, folks, just to kind of show you what I've been looking at. As you can see here that we had that confirmed divergence back here early August, had a pullback. Now we're back, hovering right at that area. It tried to break above for a couple of days. Now we're back at that congestion area. So, as a day trader, my thought is we can have days that we have consolidation. I actually would not be surprised to then also see this pull back to the bottom of the champion cross or the bottom of the champion trend, kind of like it did here before potentially going higher and making new highs again. But that divergence definitely should have been a warning signal. So then as we go into and we start looking at some of the day trades within the WealthCharts live training room, what I wanted to show you today was just a great example here, folks. I talked about this right at the beginning of the morning as well, that we started defining here at 9:30. We wait the first 10 minutes. It initially looked like it was going to break through, filled the gap, but then it came back down. And we started getting all these wicks. Okay. And what we've talked about in the room today was a lot of fun because so many appreciated it that, some days the best trades are the ones you don't make. And so what a lot of traders will try to do here, they'll try to go short. Oh, I don't want to miss out, right? And then they get wicked and they get destroyed. And then I'm going to go long, and then they come back. These are the days when you have these type of formations, no real trend. You can see the champion trends back and forth. You just want to stay out. Look for something else, okay? Compare that a little bit to gold. Again, this is gold on the 5-minute time frame as well. What you can see much more obvious is the trend, right? Basically, the champion trend, champion cross stayed red all morning. Those were better opportunities. Okay, those were better opportunities. When the 9:30 open, we did take one quick trade on gold short. Some of them tried to stay in longer for funding opportunities. So had a nice small win there on gold. But what I really want to show you is, again, gold was a better opportunity today. Following that trend, following the opportunities versus looking at an instrument like the S&P and the NASDAQ. This is the NASDAQ again, back on that 5-minute, where you're getting wicks in all directions, folks. Nasty, nasty. Okay. You want to stay away from that. Okay. All right, folks. So again, trend is your friend here. Now, if you want to learn more about my Heikin-Ashi system, how I identify the trends, and then how I specifically enter into the markets, if you go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes, again, becomeabettertrader.com/yes. This Wednesday at 10 o'clock, I'm going to go over my advanced Heikin-Ashi. Again, how I like to look for opportunities, day trading specifically for prop firms. If you like to do that, I've had significant payouts, and I want to show you how I do that here on Wednesday, August 20th, 2025. I just had a couple more payouts approved last week and look forward to some more coming in here this month. And again, I'm looking to show you how I do this. Hope to see you all Wednesday, August 20th at 10 o'clock Eastern. All right, take care, everyone, and good luck.